Good evening, guys. So I guess everyone are here. So let's start. Let me just present my screen. Am I audible, everyone? And
Hello, yes you are.
And is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
So without wasting any time, yesterday I had given a small assignment of leap year. No, how many of you at least tried it? Like getting the output is fine. That is next. Okay. How many of you at least genuinely tried it? Tried to do it? You can raise your hand. That's the thing. Okay. So I see only one person tried. Only Sampath has tried. Okay, Vaishnavi has tried. No one else even tried. Okay, that's fine. If you got output or you tried, or that is all fine. The reason I'm telling you to try something for the next class is when you try and come, you will see all the ways to fail and all the ways to pass in that. Okay, and then when I tell you the better way, or the way when you understand the way you have done was the best way, then it will motivate you first. Okay, also you will learn better. That is the reason I'm trying you to try few things in your home. Okay, so from next time try to do it. Okay, so let's see what is leap year. So for a leap year, we just have three conditions, which is very simple. So now here I have used to-do list. Okay, this is one option of PyCharm where you can just give a comment and type to do, and this will get stored in a place called as to do over here. Okay, to do is here. Yeah, to do over here. So if you click on this to do, it will take you to that particular place. So it will be useful for you in future. If you're writing a big code, then to navigate to that particular place, you can use this. Okay. So can someone help me? What is the first step of a leap year?
Accepting the audio from user.
Exactly. Taking the input. So can I take a variable called as year? I hope everyone are doing this with me. You have to open a new folder, new file called leap year. From after leap year, like till leap year was fine, okay? Till leap year, you would have done in the same main.py and then deleted all of those. That is all fine because they were all very basic, okay? But from here onwards, I would like you to, like from love calculator as well as pizza order, which we'll be doing today, I would like you to store it as a separate file. Okay, and if you don't know how to make a file, if you're using PyCharm or anything, if you're using PyCharm, then just right click on this and you'll have a new, and you have a Python file. Then you just name it whatever you want, leap year or a pizza order or love calculator, anything. Make sure they're all well named, okay, so that you can look into it later. Okay, so I want you to make a folder, a file called leapyear.py. Okay, and inside that, the first thing we're going to do is take input, which is year, and year is what? Input of
integer.
Enter the year. Okay, that is an integer. That is also there. Why an integer? Because later we'll be doing math functions on it. Correct? So this was the first part. Everyone clear with this? So now for a leap year, we have three conditions. Okay. First thing, it will be a leap year if it is divisible by 4. Everyone knows this. But there is one small catch over there. If it is divisible by 100, if this year is divisible by 100, that means if the year falls under a century category, then only the 400, the years that are divisible by 400 are leap years. Okay. Because 100 is divisible by 4. Okay. But the 100th year is not a leap year. Okay. I guess that was clear. When you consider centuries, not all centuries, even though all of them are divisible by 4, are considered as leap years. Only the centuries that are divisible by 400 and 100 together are considered as leap centuries. Okay? I guess that was clear, no? Hello?
Yeah, JJ.
Okay. So for that, can someone tell me how are we gonna write the condition? It's just an if-else statement, I guess you know. So tell me what you have to do. if here modulus 100, to check divisibility we use modulus, so as that gives the remainder after dividing by 100. Okay, if here modulus 100 is equal to 0, this means the year is divisible by 100. Okay, and here modulus 400 is equal to 0. Okay, then you have to print it's a leap year, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now tell me, should I be using an elif or an if? What should I be using?
LF.
Elif, because only if the condition fails, only then I want to go to the next condition. So elif here divisible by, divisible by 4 and here is not divisible, divisible by 100 is not equal to 0. Okay, the year should be divisible by 4, but it should not be divisible by 100. That is the second condition for it being a leap year, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's print it's a leap year. Okay, in any other condition it's gonna be a non-leap year, correct? So I can just give else print what? Not a leap year. Yes or no? Simple. This was simple, no? This was not tough, no? You could have spent just 1 or 2 minutes to get this right. Yeah, no? So let's just run this and see. Can someone tell me some year which is leap or not leap? 2000 was a leap year, right?
Yeah.
There you go. 2000 is a leap year. And some year which is not a leap year, let us try 1990. It is not a leap year. And anyone who wants to try their date of birth, 2002, Sampadas. Not a leap year. 2004, is it a leap year or not? No, I told you the first condition, right? Even if it is divisible by 100 and not divisible by 400, then it won't be a leap year. So understand that 2100 is not a leap year. Even though it's divisible by 4, okay, it is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 400. Okay, that is a condition we use for leap years when it comes to century. Okay, everybody clear with this?
JJ, we can use single if statement also, right?
Yeah, so
By
that
using
is the
and
next
and
step.
or.
So see here, now this particular if statement and this particular elif statement is giving you the same output. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So making two statements for that, it is just poor encoding, correct? So what I can do is I can remove this whole thing. I can just copy this thing, Control X, and I just paste it here. And all I'll do is I have to check for this or this, correct? It's not and, okay, or this. So I just put or. Okay, and it's gonna still work perfectly as it was. Let's try, give me some year now. 2094. It is not a leap year. See, it works. Let's try 2000 itself just to see it's a leap year. 2000. It is a leap year. So everyone clear with this? Just 2 lines of code. Simple. Hello?
Yes, JJ.
Okay. So, just give me a minute. I'll be sending you a small code now. Okay. I want every one of you to download this code in your system and open it in any particular coding platform that you're using. Okay. Pizza order.py I have given. Okay. So I want you guys to download that file and open the file in any particular IDE you are using. If it's PyCharm or anything else, it's fine. So once you have done that, let me know. You guys
JJ,
are
I'm not able to download.
not able to. You're using system only, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not able
Even
to download
I'm
it.
not able to download.
You're also not able to
Hmm.
download it.
No. Hmm.
What is it working? For me, it's working. See, she's saving. Why is it not working? Okay. For those who are not able to download it, I'll just paste it as a text. Is that fine? And then you can paste it in a what? You can just copy it and paste it in the folder. I mean, your main.py.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have given this particular text. No. Copy this whole thing. Make a new file called as pizzaorder.py. Okay, and paste it over there. Once you're done, let me know. So we have Iron Man in our class. So done, guys. You guys did that? Is it done?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone
Yeah.
who didn't do it yet? Anyone who is still facing trouble in creating a file and pasting that thing? Or everyone is done with it? Please raise your hand if there is any trouble in doing that. If not, then I'll assume that everyone has done it and let's move forward. Everyone done? Okay, so I think everyone would have done this. So I guess now you'll be having a particular file called pizzaorder.py where you'll be having few set of to-dos and few set of details that are already given to you. Okay. So now I guess you would have already had a basic idea of what this is by seeing the comments itself. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a kind of an app or a kind of a console application which will ask the user, which will first of all welcome the user to the pizza shop. I consider Domino's or anything. I just gave a random name. Okay. So any shop that of your own choice, you can change it. And then it will print the menu, which has few options, which I have given. You can add or you can delete or you can do whatever you want with that. Okay. And then after the user have selected their choice from the menu, then you'll have to ask them for the size and the rates for the sizes are given. And you'll have to ask them for if they want extra pepperoni or extra cheese or extra ketchup. And you'll have to add the particulars that are given. And then you'll have to calculate the bill. Also include GST as 18% and give them the bill. Okay. I guess this one is clear. Yeah, no? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think this one is the first little bigger project we are doing, I guess. Yeah, no? So help me, guys. Help me how to welcome the customer. I want to welcome the customer to the pizza order system or pizza order house. How do I welcome?
Hi, welcome to whatever name you have given.
That even I
Not
know.
pizza
How am I
house.
going to welcome? How am I going to code to welcome?
Print.
Basically print. Okay. So let me print.
Tera
And,
shayad.
yeah. Tell me. Welcome to. Give me some catchy name. I just gave some random names, some circular roti, but yeah, you can give some random names. Give me some catchy name. Please don't give Domino's or Pizza Hut or something.
JJ Pizza Hut.
Ew. JJ Pizza Hut. JJ Pizza Hut. That is so nice. Okay, fine. So welcome to JJ Pizza Hut is the first line you will have to be printing, right? And you don't want anything after that line for like next two lines. So I'm just going to do double slash n. Okay, /n/n, so that the program skips 2 lines after that. I guess that is clear for everyone. Yeah, no? Hello?
Yes, JJ.
Okay. So now, after welcoming the person, what are you going to do? You're going to display the menu. Yeah, no? How are you going to display the menu? How are you?
Again, print. Using print.
Again print, but that will be boring coding. I mean, that will be lazy codes. So tell me, think again and tell. Are you going to print?
Ask if they want to see the menu.
That will be too much because no one will be coming for a
Oh,
pizza
yeah.
place without seeing the menu. Okay, see, thing is, if you print the menu, okay, and then all you have to do is ask them for which item they want, correct? That is taking an input from the user, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When Python gives you the option of printing something before taking the input, why do you want to print and then take input? That will be lazy code, right? So I guess everyone understands that we have to take input over here, correct?
Okay.
So let me just take pizza is equal to input of, okay, and how do I print the menu first? So let me just make it a little bit beautiful. I can just add few of this thing and then I can type menu and then few of these things, yeah, no, and then a /n. So I go to the next line, correct, and then I'm just going to copy this whatever I've written here and I'm going to paste here, control V, a /n, going to the next line, copy the paneer thing and I'm going to paste here, copy it with the space so that it looks beautiful, like aligned properly when it comes to the program. Okay, I'm going to copy it here and paste it here and a /n. You guys are doing it with me, no? Or am I just smart?
I'm doing it.
Okay, fine. So now you have displayed the bill, correct? Now what you have to ask, /n/n. I'm going 2 lines below it and then I'm going to ask, what am I going to ask? Choose which one you want, correct? Choose which pizza you would like to have, correct? And now they are going to give the name, correct? That is a common thing, correct? Or you can also mention here, type the name, of the pizza, okay, so that they know what pizza they're going to do. So let us just run this and see as of now, okay. So let me just take enter the year. Okay, this is run. I'm really sorry.
Oh my god.
I have to run a pizza order. Okay, in case if you are confused, if it is running the leap year, even after you have created another thing, you see an option here. You can change to current file. Okay, so that it runs the current file always. Alright. So now let me run this. Yeah, you see, welcome to JJ Pizza Hut, and then it left 2 lines, and then it showed me the menu beautifully, and then choose which pizza you want, type the name of the pizza, and it's stopping, correct? So now I'll type onion. Onion. Okay. It just stopped after that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
No? Okay. So here, what is one thing that you faced? After taking the input, it stopped on the same line. I don't want that to do it. In any program you see, it will come to the next line and then ask for the input. Yes or no? So let me just give an /n here. Okay. So I guess till here it's clear. Okay. And now you have taken the pizza. Yes, no? So now you will have to ask them for the size. How would you do that? Again take input, no? Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Again take input. Enter the size of the pizza you would like to have. And you have to give 3 options, which is small, medium, comma, large. I guess this part is clear. Yeah, no. Again, of course, slash n so that it looks good. Okay. So size is taken now. Okay. And now you're gonna ask again 3 more questions. Let me just take pep is equal to input. Do you want pepperoni? I mean extra pepperoni. No? Extra pepperoni. Correct? Guys, please respond.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now same thing for cheese as well as same thing for ketchup. Just change the CHE and make this what? KET ketchup or KP. Let me keep it. Okay. Yeah, no?
Hmm.
Okay. So now I have taken all the things that I need to do. That means, see, it will print and then it will ask me which pizza I want. I will type onion, and then it will ask me, see, next thing it's asking me, enter the size of the pizza you would like to have. Okay, I will enter small, and then, do you want extra pepperoni? I'll tell yes. And do you want extra pepperoni? Okay, I didn't change the question in so cheese. And to be specific, let's just give y or no, y or n. Okay, so that they know what kind of input they have to be giving. Yeah, no, y or n, y or n, and for the last one, do you want extra? KET. Ketchup spelling. Ketchup. Okay. Y or n. Yeah. Guys, done with this, sir? Done till here? Hello? Is the code working?
Wait.
Okay. Take your time. Tell me once you have finished till here, and then we'll proceed. Okay. So let me just choose the pizza till then. Let me just take chicken tikka, and enter the size of the pizza you would like to have. I want medium. And do you want pepperoni or no? I want yes, I want. And I want cheese, and I want ketchup. And it got over. Correct? And then process finished. Yes or no? I guess till here everyone is clear. Why is it showing me people are leaving the meeting and the number is not reduced?
JJ, can you go the main screen again?
Yeah, sure. So where are you? Which part? First you'll have to take pizza and then print the bill. And then size.
Okay.
And then your pepperoni and your CHE and ketchup.
I got it.
Okay. So just let me know if everyone has finished it. Is there anyone who still didn't come to this point or the program is not working till this point? See, you guys can talk freely to me because you know me. Okay. I am not some kind of teacher or someone, so you can just talk to me like a friend and we can learn together. Okay. So everyone got till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I start.
Okay. So I guess people got till here. Okay. Now tell me, I got all the inputs. Okay. Now, first of all, the next step is basically calculating the bill. Yes or no? So to calculate the bill, I need a variable called bill to add it based on the inputs. Yes. So can I take a variable called bill is equal to 0? Can I do that? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess everyone up here is taking bill. Okay. Now I took the what is this input for pizza. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
no. I took the input for pizza. Now what should I do? I have four varieties of pizza. Okay. And I have to do, all I have to do is, if the user selection, I mean, if the pizza is equal to onion, then I have to add 69 to bill, correct?
Yeah.
And if the user input, I mean, pizza is paneer, then I have to add 109. If it is chili, then I have to add 120. If it is chicken tikka, I have to add 180. 4 if statements.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is simple, I guess. I guess you also can do it. So if what is equal to, so pizza is equal to onion. Okay. Then what should I do? Onion, of course, onion in strings. It should be in string format because you're comparing it. So the input will be in string format. You have to compare it to another string called onion, correct? And if pizza equal to onion, then bill plus is equal to how much? 69, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now here I can just give elif pizza is equal to what is the next thing? Paneer. Then what should I do? Bill plus is equal to 109, correct? Okay, if you don't know what is this bill plus is equal to, this is an operator called the plus operator in Python, where your bill will be incremented by the number you are giving on the right hand side. This is equivalent to writing bill is equal to bill plus 109. This and that statement are same. Okay. I guess you guys are clear with that, no? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can write plus equal to, no? There is no issue with that. Okay. Now I can just copy this elif part and I can paste it some one more time actually, because the next time I'm going to give else basically. That is called when you like there are only 4 options, then the last option you can just give anything, right? Chili and cheese. Okay. Chili and cheese, I have to add what? 120. And okay, let's give elif itself. Let's not use else so that you'll be more clear of it. Elif pizza is equal to instead of this I need chicken yeah. Then add how much? 180. Yeah, no? This part is fine, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now not everyone are good in spellings and not everyone are perfect. Okay, I am one kind of guy who is really bad at spellings. Okay, if I go for an app like this, I will for sure give onion as ONOIN. Okay, which is a wrong spelling. Okay, but it should still take my bill is equal to 69. How will I do that? Like people like me will give wrong spellings. Okay, and there are people like me who will give few letters in capitals and few letters in small. Okay, and then when I give pizza in onion, I mean my input in capital, and then I compare it with small onion, it's gonna give me an error, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
You guys understanding this, no?
Yes.
Okay, and there will be spelling mistakes, of course, like many people are there. Okay.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, exactly. See, paneer, given some spelling mistake, it's spelling pain. Okay, I mean, it's not spelling mistake, but yeah. Okay, so to avoid such things, what we are gonna do is indexing. We are gonna use. Okay, the name are different. Yes, no. But the first letter of each of these are different, correct?
Yeah.
Except for the last 2. That we'll see. Okay, so can I use pizza of 0 is equal to O, then it's nothing but onion. Even if I give I want onion or whatever, pizza's first letter is O, that means it's gonna be onion, correct? Yeah, no? Everyone clear with this, no?
Yes.
Okay, similarly for this I can give P pizza of 0 is equal to p. Okay, and for this I can give pizza of 0 is equal to c, but there is one problem here. Both of these are having c, correct? So what can I do? How will I do it? Can I check for another element in the same word and then confirm it? That is,
Another index.
I can check for C and L, okay, for chili, and I can check for C and C in chicken, correct? So can I just do and pizza
Pizza.
of what is the position of L here?
3.
0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so pizza of 3 is equal to what is that? L, correct? And here can I give and pizza of 3 is equal to what is this? C,
C.
no? C. Okay. So I don't know how much this will work. Let's see how much this will work. Okay. Let's print will and see. Let us just run this file and see how much it goes. Okay. So you see here, first it's asking me which pizza I want. So wait, select. Yeah. So someone tell me what pizza I want. Let me give chicken pizza. Okay. Chicken. Let me just give some random thing. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now see, my bill is getting as 180. So it's working, correct? Even though I have given wrong spelling here, it is still working. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so this was a good start, okay. But now I will give something like this. Chicken. It is not working. Even though I gave the right spelling, why is it not working? Can someone tell me why is it not working?
It's all in caps. We
It's
gave
all
on.
in caps.
Okay.
We are only checking with small letters, okay.
That's
Doesn't mean you have to check with capital letters also. Okay. What you can do is you can convert the input directly to lower letters. And how do you do that? It's just very simple. Exactly. After the input statement over here, okay, or anywhere you want, you can just type dot lower off. I mean, okay, everything.
not lower.
Not in caps. See, in Python, nothing goes in caps. Okay, remember that. So, dot lower off. Just open a bracket and close a bracket. This function, what it will do is, it will convert whatever input you are taking, okay, into lowercase. Okay? Clear with this? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I would like to tell two more things also here. With lower, there are two more things called as upper and title. Okay. What this upper will do is it will convert everything into uppercase. That will be clear. Okay. And what is title now? Title is it will convert only the first letter to caps and all other letters to small. I will just show you a small example. Let me just go to leap here. Let me take a name. Let me take some more anonymous here. Okay. I'll just take some more.
Yes, spelling is written.
It's fine. Okay. So now let me print all three. Print. Let me give some capital in between. Okay, so that
Later, can you stop that now?
print name dot lower and hello. Guys, who is that? Sumo. Smile. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So name dot lower is done. Let me do name dot upper and name dot title. Let's see what happens. Okay. This is actually one of the programs they asked us in this thing. So see here, name dot lower gave me the first output, converting everything into small letters, correct?
Okay.
Name dot upper gave me everything into capital letters. And name dot title gave me everything into small letters except the first letter. Very simple.
Yeah.
This was a program in last I guess P3 test, okay, where we had to change it to title case. And people did long codes for that. And they could do just one line. Okay, so till here we are done. Okay, now it's gonna work properly until this part. Okay, now till pizza we have done. Now I want you guys to tell me the same thing. No, I want you guys to tell me line by line for size, pep, CHE and kept all of these, and we'll finish the program. Come on, tell me. We have three sizes. One is small, one is medium, one is large. The person has given the input first. What is the first thing we have to do? I just told you guys it's the same thing. Here we took pizza, here we are taking size.
Yeah. Size is equal to.
Before that, just last thing we did, hot lower, first of all.
Oh yeah, I did that for everything also.
Okay, you did that for everything. Okay, that is good. Okay, now tell me, if hello.
Yeah, if size is size of 0 is S.
Size of 0 is equal to S. Tell it like in the format only so that it registers in your mind. Okay. So bill plus is equal to how much?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Okay. And L is size of 0 is equal to what is the next thing? M.
Yeah.
Then bill plus is equal to how much? How much have I given? I've given 20 rupees. Okay. And else I can do. Not a problem. Okay. Or actually not else, because they can give some, there might be some typos also, no? So let's consider those also. There might be some typos or misprints, so we should not take any of those. So let's see L, okay? Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Then bill plus is equal to how much? 50 rupees, correct? Okay, so till you are done. Okay. Now again, what is this? Again dot lower. And after that, if pep of 0 is equal to actually pep of 0 you can use, or pep itself you can use, because it's just y or n, no? So you know what.
So what should, okay.
It's the same thing. It's better to do that, because sometimes you can give YAES.
Yeah.
And then it will become a problem, okay? So bill plus is equal to how much? If you want pepperoni, it's 15 rupees, correct? Now, in else condition, what do we have? We shouldn't do anything, no? If it is anything after that, we shouldn't do anything, correct?
Yeah.
Here, we use something called as pass. That means don't do anything. Okay. That means leaving the inputs that we are asking, if it gets any other input, we just pass. Okay. And that should be done to all of these. That means if there is a typo, like if imagine they ask for a flavor which is not available in this, okay, then it should not be taking anything into the bill, correct? So else you should do pass. You should not add anything to the bill. You should not do any of this. No. So everywhere in like first if else statement, second if else statement, and all those, I'm just adding else pass. Okay. I guess this much is clear. Pass means do nothing basically. And I can just copy this part and then I can paste it for cheese and ketchup. See. Correct? And I can make this CHE and I can make this as KEP, no? And the rates are going to be changing. What is the ketchup rate? 5 rupees. And the cheese rate is 10 rupees, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can delete all of this rates now, because now you know what it is. Or you can also have it. If it doesn't look tidy for you, I mean messy for you, then you can have it so that for future references, okay. Else you can delete it, not a problem. So I will remove this print statement that I have given. I just gave it to check now. So let me just remove it. Okay. So now we have done for all of this, correct? So let us see. Let us print the final bill and see. Okay. Let's see if everything is working perfectly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let me run it. Yeah, it's telling me welcome to JJ Pisart and it's giving me all the options. So someone tell me, someone order please. Onion no item.
Yeah, I need it.
See, that is what happens. Okay. Small and I want extra pepperoni. Yes. And I don't want cheese. Yes, I want ketchup. Okay. See, I got 91. Let's just check it. 69 plus for small it is 5 rupees, no? 2 rupees, huh? For small, what is it? 2 rupees.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
2 rupees.
yeah.
It is 2 rupees. Okay. So tell me 69 plus 2. I wanted pepperoni, so it is 15. And I didn't want cheese, so nothing. And plus 5, correct? It is 91. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So it's working perfectly.
Hmm.
Is everyone's working perfectly?
I'll run it now.
Yeah, please run it and check. Is everyone's working perfectly? By that
My
time,
program is running.
what? I told you,
Leave
see,
your
in
program.
current, you just change it to current file. Okay. Or to be more specific, if you want to know how to run it like specifically in anything, then use terminal always. Okay. This most of the people don't teach because most of them for Python program they don't compile it at all. They use the run button. Okay. But you have to know how to compile it. In terminal, your compiling code is Python space and the file name .py. That is pizza order .py and it will run. Okay.
Okay.
So when you want to compile something in a terminal, then it's called Python. Like in C, you used to use what is it, G++ and all. You remember?
Yeah.
C, G++.
Yeah.
Like that Python, we have Python itself space the file name .py and make sure in any file name you create, don't use space. Okay, use underscore. See, I made a mistake over here. Love calculator, I made a mistake. Okay. So all the Python file names should be with an underscore, not a space. Okay? Don't use space.
So that file won't work, bro?
This file won't work in terminal.
Okay.
When you use in terminal, it's not going to work. I just show you. .py. It will throw me an error basically. See, there is no such file in the system because the space does not recognize it. Okay. What it'll do is it'll be like Python love. Okay? Where it'll be like I don't know any of this. Okay. So make sure you don't give any space. Okay.
JJ, go back to the output window so I can check if it's right. Okay. You chose
Onion.
And also send the full code in the group, no?
Yeah, sure. I'll finish the code and then I'll send it.
Okay.
See, thing is, I want you guys to do it. Okay.
No, okay, show it off now only. Then.
No. I will send it. You have to do it. Do it now, actually.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Show it now.
Yeah. So from starting, I guess this part and all is done, no? Print and then this fence is done.
Yeah.
What do you want me to show? Which part?
Absolutely. So why are you using plus equals to here for the build variable?
See, this is the easiness of Python. Okay. Normally, what do we do is equal to bill plus 2. This is what we do, no?
Yeah.
Too much of work. Okay. This plus equal to is nothing but the same.
Okay.
It is nothing but plus equal to or that asterisk equal to is multiply, divide equal to, all of that directly does it to the whatever is on the left hand side. It just does that particular work to the right hand side. Okay. So
Okay.
build plus means it will increment by 2.
Okay. So just like a short form.
Yeah, it is a short. Python has a lot of short forms. You have to get used to a lot of this. Many of the teachers don't teach them because they learn C or something and come and they try to follow the same format over there, which is not the case in Python because Python is made to make things easier. Okay, I was very surprised when they gave a 20-mark program as convert the particular string into title format, where they expected us to take it as a list and then convert the first element into capital by using something called as capitalize or something, I guess. Okay, which is way complex. Yeah. Where they could have just used dot title. Just in case if they knew it. Okay, so that is the kind of the standard that they are teaching in. So I'm not telling it's wrong or bad, but yeah, sometimes we feel it is.
Yeah, like we get like 10-mark questions just for palindrome thing.
Palindrome,
So
you will
written
see.
with 2
Let us
lines.
do a little bit of strings and stuff. Maybe in next to next class, I will show you how to do palindrome in one line.
Slicing.
Yeah, slicing you can do. Okay. So I guess this program is over till here, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we didn't finish it yet. Okay. We have to
Did it
calculate
add
what is the GST. GST is equal to 18% of the bill, which is how do we do it? Yesterday I told you. Bill is 100%.
Bill by 100.
So divided by 100 you get 1%. And now
Into 18.
18 will give you the final GST value. Okay. Now I don't want you to print bill just a bill. Okay. I want you to tell them that your bill is particular so and so, correct? So let's print and let's use F string of course. Okay. Your bill for the
Your.
order of okay. Spellings. I told you my spellings are bad. Order of the specified pizza is and just slash n and let me print bill in flower brackets and then a slash n so that bill is seen properly. Okay, and then what should I do? I should tell your GST. No, your GST is let me print the GST. Okay, and after that I have to tell what is the total bill. No,
GST plus that bill.
yeah, total bill is something like this, and then it goes. You can just do same thing here. GST plus bill inside the flower brackets itself. You can do it will work perfectly. Okay, whatever you give here is like typing something here. Okay, wow. So it will work. So now I guess the code is complete. Everyone done with this much? Tato someone will see. Yeah, total.
Yes, JJ.
Yeah. Okay, everyone done with this? I guess today we took a lot of time actually. For I thought we'll complete log calculator also, but I don't think we can. So we'll do log calculator tomorrow. It's just a small program only. But now let us run this program and see. Yeah. So choose which pizza you would like to do. Okay, first okay. So choose someone. Please tell me some pizza to choose.
Chili and cheese.
Chili and cheese. Okay, chili and cheese. What size would you like to have?
Large. I have to eat more, you said, no, yesterday.
Or your size large. Okay, pepperoni, yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, okay. Cheese?
definitely.
Definitely. And ketchup?
No need, it's fine.
No, okay. Yeah, so it is printing. See, your bill for the order specified of the specified pizza is 195 and your GST is 35.1 and your total bill is 230 rupees, correct? And I know this formatting is not that proper. Okay, it is not beautiful. The code is running perfectly, but the code is not beautiful yet. Okay, that depends on your own, your talents. Okay, to make the code beautiful. Okay, if I had time, then I would make it beautiful. But if I do that, then it'll take a lot of time, which will waste a lot of time. Yeah, no. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
So I guess everything is done. So this program was done. Everyone did this? Everyone is running? Is there any error or anything in your program? See, the reason I'm asking error or anything okay. See, the reason I'm asking if you're having any error is error correction is a part of learning Python. Okay? Error correction is a very important part of learning Python, and if there is an error, you should know how to read it and correct it. Okay? So if you face any error, share it with us. Okay? We will decode it and find the problem together so that others also know how to solve those errors. Okay?
All right, sure.
Okay, fine. Because I won't be getting error here because these are like
If you try for this, I just want to check if my answer is right or something.
yeah. Tell me.
Chili cheese pizza.
Chili Caesar. Okay.
Large.
Large.
Extra pepperoni.
Yes. Okay.
No. Oh god. Okay, fine. Extra cheese. Yes.
Extra cheese. Yes. Okay.
Extra ketchup. No.
No.
Okay.
195.
195. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
You gave pepperoni as the definitely yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So remove 15 from this. That's all.
Yeah. I got
180
180.
you will get.
Yeah.
And your GST will be a little less.
Yeah. It's 32.4.
Yeah, that will be fine. That is right. So everyone is clear with this program, no?
Clear.
Yes, teacher.
So now, as you guys are like, there are 3 more minutes. We'll finish the class sharp at 9. I mean 8. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, I just want a little bit of feedback from you guys. 3 days you have attended, and we have only done so far. We have only covered programs just based on print, input, and just what if. Okay.
JJ, I guess we should unmute Sumo.
Sumog, is there any problem? Did I mute?
Yeah.
I muted him, but
Because
I
you're
guess
the
he can unmute too. See, you can't unmute someone else. He has to unmute. Okay, so Sumo was telling something. We were taught that switch is faster than if in C. So what resembles switch in Python? If only. We will be using switch case later. Okay, but if is better than switch because if is a basic building block in this thing. Okay. We will see that later when we come to switch statements. Okay. So as of now, we have done programs just based on the topics that your teachers taught you like in 5 minutes. Printer, input, and if else. Okay. They would have just told if you want to print. If you want to take input. If you want to do any if else statement, then do if else. Okay. So based on these, we have done so many programs. So I want a little bit of feedback that how was the class based on just these programs.
Bro,
Hmm.
do we have switch statements in Python?
We do have, but if else is more efficient. We never use switch
Hello.
statements at all.
Okay.
We would never use it because it just irritates things in Python. It's a long syntax.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So just tell me something, please. Like you don't have to tell me I am teaching good or not. I'm not asking that. Okay. I'm asking you if you're able to follow and is the class going in the right pace for you, or is it slow, or is it fast? Or what do you feel like that?
It's fun.
No, correct speed.
It's fun. Okay, it's correct speed. Okay, anyone else? Anyone who's feeling it's slow and sloppy? They're doing
Me.
boring programs. Okay, anyone, even if you're not telling me, even if you're feeling so, then I would just advise you to wait for 2 or 3 more days until we start loop and lists and other objects. Okay, so then it's going to become damn interesting because just with print and input statements we can do such things, and if we start off with loops and other things, it's going to be brainstorming. Okay? It'll be fun, I assure you that. Okay, so I guess this program was nice. I don't have it. I guess this program was nice, no?
Yeah. Yes.
So I guess we can cancel.